Welcome to the Camp Log. My name is Timothy J. Forbes. I'm here at the Holiday Inn in Wolf Road in Colonie, New York, right outside Albany. And I'm attending the Albany Comic Con, which is held twice a year.
Out the glasses.
All right.
Okay, can I have your attention, please? I want to welcome everybody to the Albany Comic Con. Sorry we're a little behind. The microphone was not in order. We had a couple of cancellations for artists, most notably Jim Starlin and Fred Hendrick could not make the show due to the snow conditions. I have a couple other announcements I want to make. I just want to make a note that we have additional vendors and artists set up in the Phoenix room. That room is located to the front right lobby of the hotel down in Colonie. There's numerous vendors and artists in that room, lots of great stuff available, so please go back there and check it out. For directions to the Phoenix room, stop by any one of the mission stables and they can point the directions for you. For this show, we also have an expanded gaming area, which is back beyond the swimming pool. It will feature a Magic and a Yu-Gi-Oh tournament, as well as some different gaming demonstrations. I think all demos are free to try, so please, if you're interested in any gaming, head back there. There's also gaming supplies and merchandise available there as well. And that's beyond the pool, back past the main artist alley in the holiday. If you're interested in gaming, it's worth a try. He did start. Check it out. It's a brand new area. We're getting ready to try to get ready to start.
There have been quite a few changes that have taken place since the last Camp Log. My employment situation has changed, and I'm now looking for employment up in the Albany area. Additionally, since the last blog, we've had this thing called a major flood take place in my area thanks to Tropical Storm Lee. It caused a lot of damage in the New York southern tier. And to top it off, I've had a couple things I've had to tend to with my health as well too, but the prognosis looks excellent, so there's no problem there. It's safe to say that I am looking to make some huge changes, and I'm looking forward to more video in the future.
That and our steroids will be on.
Well, I just wanted Hi. Come here. Let me see. Yeah. And door prizes.
Like I've always joked about that as a way of just diffusing, but it's never really been an issue where someone's really
I'm hoping that was just for one time.
yeah.
But if we see a lot,
Then we're gonna have to
we'll just make it happen.
it's gonna be right. Put on a price.
This monster.
It's all right.
For a second, I thought it was your character.
And I realized this one. I was
And just to let you know also that in 2 weeks, on November 12th and 13th, I will be attending the New Jersey Comic Expo. Lee Merriweather is a featured guest. There are going to be some other guest stars from the 1966 Batman series. There'll be a couple other related guests, such as actor Larry Storch, who would voice the Joker in the 1968 animated cartoon series. And there are going to be comic book artists such as Chris Notarilli and his son Chris R. Notarilli. Great, thanks.
Thank you. Try to switch your face that way. Okay. I need to find your direction. I'm going to run to the truck and get myself.
Found another scorpion.
Okay, any of this will use
Yeah, I spoke with Jennifer a little bit earlier.
All the way down, I think it's Route 2. That's right. I know everybody's going to get their car. Yeah. It's awesome. I wish I could be like,
Can I have your attention, please? In the gaming area, the Hero Clips demo will be starting shortly, so please head back to the gaming area if you're interested in Hero Clips, a Hero Clips demo. Starting down in the gaming area, back behind the pool. Thank you. In about 5 minutes, I will start the door prize announcements. So the door prize announcements will start in about 5 minutes. So please have your tickets ready for that. I'm at the admission table into the hall tunnel, and that's where the door prizes will be dispersed. Again, about 5 minutes of door prizes.